Here I've got Sharp C10 and let me show you how to grab a screen, how to take a screenshot on the following device. So at first let's open some interesting display. Let me pick, for example, calendar, and if you would like to show someone that you have no plans for the 22nd of November, just tap on power key and volume down key, hold both keys all together. And that's it. As you can see, the screenshot has been taken and now you can find it in the gallery. But before we will open it, let's go to the second method of taking the screenshot. So let me open, for example, Google Play Store. And if you would like to show someone your apps and games, we can open installed. But still we have to wait a bit. Okay, so let's grab the screen. Simply slide down the upper bar, locate screen capture icon, click on it, and that's it. As you can see, the display has been saved. So now we can open the gallery and check both screenshots, both pictures. So let's open the gallery now. And in albums, you will notice screenshot album where you can find both screenshots included. Now you can share them with your friends, you can delete it, edit them, or do some other functions. You can also add it to favorites. So that would be all. This is how you can grab a screen in Sharp C10. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.